Look, I think I'm having a crush. Let's give God thanks for another day, for another glorious day. I'm late. I'm really late. I'm like a day and couple hours late. Guys, I'm sorry for my late intrusion. Right? Guys, I'm sorry. I think my flight delayed. I should have reached earlier, but my flight delayed. I guess everything happens for a reason. For all my Greece supporters, I am back again in Greece. Oh my God, bro, look. Yo! Well. Alrighty then. Guys, look. So a day ago, Marina Satti gave us a track. And I haven't get the chance to listen to the music as yet. See what she's up to in this video. Right? So I'm going to react to Marina Satti. THALASSA. Incredible name. So let's see if this name matches the song, bro. Oh yes. No, briefly, I'm from Jamaica. I guess a lot of you all really and truly respect Jamaicans, and I do appreciate the love that you guys shown when I do a reaction to Marina. It's a joy, it's a pleasure to have you guys here. So let's take a walk into this wonderful music video. Peace. Oh, oh my, your voice. It's been so long since I've heard this amazing voice. Oh my. Okay, let's continue. Then why would she wanted the sea to take her in so she could drown? Baby, what's wrong? What's wrong? Are you okay? Are you feeling depressed? Look, don't feel depressed or commit a suicide, because Jamaican do love a woman from a different country, and we do embrace y'all. So before you go into the sea, to allow the sea to drown you, think first, think again, and think twice. And just remember, our Jamaican, we do appreciate you. Trust me, especially me. So I guess someone hurt her. She said, love, I don't want. So the reason being for her wanting to be drowned, it's because someone hurt her. Bro, I will shoot y'all, man. I will shoot y'all, bro. Why are you guys doing that, man? Why you guys keep... Bro, it's a serious matter, bro. It's a serious matter, because women do tend to love. And they tend to love the wrong person. And when they get hurt, the bad name goes for every man. Why you all people keep on hurting good female, bro? Why? I mean, like, it's so disgusting. Trust me. She wanna live there on the land, bro. She wanna be alone. But you are so calm, Micey. I guess you want to live around the ocean where everything is just so beautiful and smooth and enchanting. That would be such a beautiful thing. Είσαι τόσο ταραχή θάλασσα μου γυαλί. Yo, I respect her so much. I love her music so much. Glass reflecting birds. Wow, the poetry, it's freaking phenomenal. Wonderful. Που καθρεφτίζεις πολλά. Guys, I'm sorry, but I love her voice. It's so relaxing as the sea. It's so calm. It's so peaceful. It's everything that I need now. She's gorgeous. Gorgeous! But I am wave. Oh! Just imagine her being a wave. Calm waters. She's hurting a lot. She's hurting a lot. I wish I was there to hug her, to tell her that she's amazing, she should keep going, because every individual needs someone to motivate them every now and then, especially when things aren't going as they planned. Marina, I appreciate you. You are a phenomenal female. Whoa, I love your music. Trust me. She's saying something like this. See, I live for a miracle of yours tonight. The sea is very miraculous. Wonderful wonders of life, bro. And she's living for the miracle of the sea tonight. That's freaking incredible. That's awesome. That's what we want to feel now. The momentum of the sea. With a star. Oh. Oh my god. Damn. Why would she want to sink back into the depth? It's so much going on with people these days, bro. It's so much. And Marina, I hug you so tightly right now. But you are so calm, my sea. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. She's beautiful. Just look at her in this little boat by herself in that wonderful ocean. Look, guys, she's amazing as the ocean. She's as beautiful as the ocean. She's as gorgeous as the entire ocean, bro. Naturally, she's phenomenal. Look, I think I'm having a crush. She's gorgeous as fuck. She's gorgeous. She's just so, look, if I was in front of her now, I would blush the fuck out. I would fall so short. I would crumble before her. Bro, she's amazing. This is intense. This is really intense. From a small momentum of the sea to intense music. This is freaking intense. Wonderful sky, wonderful video. She's wonderful as well. I guess she's a big fan of the ocean though. That led her to want to be in the ocean, to go into the depth of the ocean. She's a big fan of the ocean. Bro, the ocean is scary. Like, it's only 3% of the ocean explored, bro. Just imagine that another 97% of that place that hasn't been explored yet. It would be so scary. So terrifying. Oh my god. The ocean is as gorgeous as her. Beneath the ocean, above the ocean surface, on the land of the ocean. Perfect example of Marina right here. Hold on, there's a quote. In the last decade, at least 29,984 people died. Whoa! In the Mediterranean, that's a lot, bro. I've heard about the Mediterranean from I was a kid growing up. And I didn't know that there was so much lives lost there. This is an incredible information. I've learned something today. Trust me. So in that amount, in that bunch, there are 1,274 were children. Oh, I do like this, bro. I do like this. This is incredible. Guys, look, thank you so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy this reaction, leave a like, smash a subscribe button to become a member of the Jamaican Reactor. I'll see you guys in the next suggested video. So